Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are fishing again on Lough Allua. Last time fishing was good, so we decided to give it a shot again. Again we are after the pike and some species such as bream and roach and perch and stuff. And you never know what else might pick up the bait. Today I have the Penn rod. Probably you saw these before. It's a teeny tiny rod. And I'm planning to catch something on that. Maybe some great crack. I'm gonna give myself a challenge. First, I'm gonna start off with the perch and stuff, and then I'm looking to switch. We'll see. Look, fingers crossed everything works out well. So stay tuned, and if you like my videos, subscribe, share the videos, like, and all the best. So today I'm using I don't know, can you see it? I'm using, that's a Savage Gear little Shad with a weedless hook. I'm again fishing in the weed. There's a lot of weed down there, so the pike might be sitting in there. Last time it wasn't. Now I saw last time there chased one pike chasing the fish, but I couldn't catch it. Whoa, I have a pike! Whoa! Ah!
Soft plastic, yeah? Small?
Yes.
This is a bait.
Oh, that's a weed.
Natural. Can you see the rapids on the top? That's where the rock is.
Look!
Yeah. like that lure. That's one of my favourite lures ever.
I can, yeah, but why you want?
Cool. The magic eating things in the kayak. So lads, until now I got 2 pikes, Slavic got 1, Maciek got 1, hopefully we're going to get some more. This fishing is very good, fingers crossed we pick up some more. We're having a nice lunch now. I have traditionally my beans as always. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Kayak fishing. Let me move so I can let you fish.
Keep an eye out.
Do?
Look at this.
Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa! Kofi Perch is doing the job. I love that lure. Whoa! Whoa! Look! Whoa! Yeah! Ooh, that's a nice one. Kofi Perch did the job again. You want to record how I'm releasing it? Look. Oh my god. What happened?